That is just so cool.
Wow. Ready, set, go.
Can you take any bag and convert it to your Brompton bike? Yes, I really think you can. If you're going to the Brompton website and you're looking for a bag to buy for your Brompton, they really don't have exciting selections, and they can be pretty pricey too. What I want is I want a bag that is more stylish and fun, and then I get to pick out exactly what I want. I went shopping and I bought two kinds of bags. One bag has a soft back to it, and then another bag has a hard back to it, so it doesn't bend. It is easier to convert hardback, but you still can convert the Softback bag to fit on the carrier block of your Brompton. After you've got your fun bag, you've got to purchase from a third-party manufacturer a bag adapter Brompton hardware kit. So I bought this bag adapter from Amazon for $21. Here it is. You can find them in other places too. So let's convert the bags to fit on a Brompton. Here's the carrier block and the bag. And I want to be able to put the bag just above the wheel because I don't want it to hit the wheel while I'm riding. Ooh, nice. That's gonna work. It's easier to attach it to the hardback bag, and so we're gonna do that first. We're going to attach it this way. We're going to mark it. And I'm gonna use a big nail to kind of poke the hole. So I'm using these pliers to create a larger hole. I'm gonna take the pliers and put them inside and poke the hole from inside. You're going to take your bolt and put it in the hole into the other side. Then I use some glue to glue around the bolt before I attach the nut to make it secure, just in case you're riding and it jiggles. You don't want it to become loose. Tighten it. Do it with all 4 bolts and nuts.
Oh, yeah.
All right, it's done. My fabulous, cool looking bag. It was fairly simple. I think the worst part was poking the hole. The awaited moment. Oh my God. Come on. Who wouldn't want a bag like that on their Brompton? The Softback do-it-yourself bag takes a couple of more steps. We need to make the Softback back have more support in the back. I'm going to attach a piece of wood to it, and that will give it the support so it won't flop over. So I'm going to cut the board to the size and attach it to the back of the bag. And now we're going to attach the board to the back of the bag. We'll take our Brompton carrier adapter and put it on top of the wood to mark it. That's where we'll drill the holes in the wood. 4 holes. You've got to find the right size drill bit that matches up with the screws. We have our board with our holes drilled. Now we're going to attach it to the back of the bag. Make sure you have that there. And get that there. That's gonna work. I probably should paint it so it doesn't look so ugly. I painted it to match up the back of the bag. The screws that came with the Brompton adapter kit were a little too small, so I had to get something longer. So I went to the hardware store and bought the same screw but a little longer. Got the 4 holes here, and we've got this here, and we're going to attach it here. You're gonna take your bolt and put it in the hole and take your nut and go inside the bag and attach the bolt and the nut together. Screwdriver with one hand, on the other hand, inside the bag, hold the lug nut and tighten the lug nut. Do it with all 4 bolts and nuts. One last problem to solve is that the board needs to be attached to the top of the bag. I'll drill 2 holes and connect some other screws to it. Before we drill, I'm going to put another piece of board inside the bag. Put that in there. Put that in. It's coming through there. There it is. Okay, so there it is. Now that part did not come with the Brompton kit, but it was just a screw and a rubber lug nut. So that's just easy to find at any hardware store. Let's see if this works.
Wow.
Okay, I'm really happy how my bag turned out. It was very easy to do. It's fun, and I think I'm gonna do some more colorful, fun bags. So hope to see you riding with your new custom-made Brompton bag.
Ready, set, go.